Hello everyone. Today I would love to share one important story with you all. One day a father called his son and said, "I want to give you something." He gave his old watch and said, "This watch was given by my father and this is approx 200-year old and I want you to check its real price to different shop." Son went to one shop where old things were taken and he found that the fellow was ready to give him only 50 rupees for that watch because the watch was very old. Later, he went to one jewelry shop and asked for his watch price. He said that he will give him only 1000 rupees because there were a lot of scratches on the watch. And finally, father told him, "Just go and find out the price of this watch in a museum." Son went to museum and found the price for his watch. He came to know that the fellow was ready to give him 5 lakh rupees for this watch just because the watch was quite rare and he wanted to increase his antique collection. Finally, son asked his father exactly what he is trying to say. Father said, "I'm just trying to let you know that the right place will value you in a right way. Don't find yourself in a wrong place and get angry that you are not valued." Friends, people who don't know their own value, they settle in far less than they are worth. In relationship, in friendship, in profession, in their job, they settle based on someone else's definition. This is the difference between an ordinary and extraordinary people. This is the difference between the person who loves his life, which he has created for himself, and the one who just cry for his life. Don't allow anyone to influence you with their own perception about yourself. You define yourself by your worth. You create your own value. Don't let anyone decide your worth by their own opinion. You decide your worth with your work you do every single day. Show up with your energy you put every single day. No excuses, no shortcuts, just relentless dedication to be the best. If somebody is trying to diminish your abilities, just sideline that person and show up what you are. Remember, it's only you who know your own capabilities. Don't let anyone judge your capability. So from today, from the beginning of this week, let us promise ourselves that we will show every single person who doubted on us with our relentless dedication. With this, I thank everyone and happy Monday.